RBL Bank presents the new way of contactless banking. Get ready for an uninterrupted contactless banking journey with seamless services like virtual debit card, scan and pay, tap and pay, RBL Bank app, internet banking and cardless cash withdrawal at ATMs. Now that you've opened your account, use our self-onboarding internet banking to pay your utility bills and taxes. You can also invest your money, book fixed deposits from the comfort of your home. Moving further, we welcome you to a banking journey on the go. Download our award-winning mobile banking app, RBL Bank app from Google Play Store or App Store and unlock seamless banking experience with scan and pay, quick fund transfer, securing debit cards and make all your banking needs completely contactless. Find your virtual debit card on the RBL Bank app in the Manage Debit Card section and make all payments through this unique card. The best part is there is no annual fee and so many irresistible offers. You can make quick and secure payments with Scan and Pay service by just scanning the Bharat QR code at enabled outlets and shop with your RBL Bank app. One of the most exclusive services is that of the Cardless Cash Withdrawal, which will help you to withdraw cash without your card through ATMs. All you need to do is to follow certain steps, generate a PIN and OTP through your RBL Bank app. At any of the IMT-enabled ATMs, just enter the PIN, the OTP that was created, the amount, and you will receive your money there and then. Isn't that exciting? In case you still need a physical card, you can apply for the RBL Bank Contactless Debit Card on your MoBank app in the Debit Card Controls section. You can tap and pay with this card on any point of sale. And now moving to the best part. In this contactless banking journey, we're always there to help you instantly through our smart channels like RBL Cares Chatbot, WhatsApp Banking and Virtual Relationship Manager. Let's now understand how you can give your money a new life. Grow your money through fixed or recurring deposits with RBL Bank app or internet banking and get attractive returns or an overdraft against your fixed deposit instantly. Now plan for your financial goals and take the first step towards achieving them by investing in mutual funds online with a lump sum amount or by starting a SIP. Want to make your dreams come true? Apply for loans online at attractive interest rates and without any collateral security and make a head start towards realizing your dreams. Get a credit card of your choice without any additional documents and enjoy a credit-free period of up to 50 days and rewards on your purchases. There is more to discover, like the smart and secure features including fingerprint or face recognition, help at hand assistance, erase RBL Bank app remotely if need be, and debit card management. Witness hand-picked banking services and benefits on your savings account and earn more with the best interest rates on fixed deposits too. We would like to add transparency to our relationship by giving the schedule of charges to glance through and the key benefits tailor-made for you. So what are we waiting for? Let's embark on an exciting contactless banking journey and experience a lot more.